Bottom line on this is, if you work like a robot, today or tomorrow, a robot will take your job. And that is a certainty. So if you learn like a robot, downloading information for later, you'll end up working for the robot. Very important to keep that in mind. Let's not robotize our students. Let's not robotize what we do. Let's move out of the robotics, the efficiency, the optimization, the productivity. Let's move into what makes us truly human. Science, technology, engineering, mathematics, yes, but we must add what I call a HECI: humanity, ethics, creativity, imagination. It's the two things coming together, not just one of them, to make complete human beings, awesome human beings, as I like to say. Now, we're going to move into a world where that is becoming essentially problem-based learning. In many universities and schools around the world, like in Finland, you already have project-based courses. So you're learning about climate change. You're learning about the language of climate change, the physics of climate change, the politics of climate change. That's the topic. You're not just one thing. Completely different curriculum. We're going to need to think a little bit larger than this. First, of course, imagination. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge, intellect, logic, that's very important to me, very important to you, I'm sure. We have to combine them. But also something we need here is courage. Courage to go beyond what we've done before. Courage to do something new. Henry Miller, one of my favorite writers, he said, one's destination is never a place, but a new way of seeing things. Think about the future differently.